Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the font of a text in your video clips on Microsoft Clipchamp. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your video project on Clipchamp, left click into the text box here on your frame, or you may select it on your timeline, and then you will see that option here. So you may click into the drop down menu and choose a different font from that menu, or here to the right click into the text customization and again click into that drop down menu to switch to a different font. Then there is also, guys, the option to insert a text box here on the left hand side, either with a plain text or with a preset style, with each one with a different font. You may click into see all to gain access to more of these text styles with different fonts and insert it on your timeline like I did with this text box here, for example, to see how or if you like the given font or not. That's it, guys. You may also customize, for instance, the appearance here if the given font supports it. Like, let me just undo this and switch, for example, to medium or bold. You may apply italic letters if these are supported here, the color, the alignment, the size. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.